Fancy something cozy but quick? Let's make velvety pumpkin carrot soup. Proper midweek winner. Start with onions. Chop and fry in a drizzle of olive oil. Cube the carrot, sweet potato and the pumpkin. Chop garlic and thyme, then toss in half the garlic and thyme, then fry till they've got a bit of colour. Next, splash in white balsamic, drizzle over honey, then pour in the stock. Give it a stir, pop the lid on and simmer until tender. Cut the ciabatta into cubes and fry till golden and crisp. Once the veg is soft, blend it all into a silky smooth soup. Now for that golden touch, melt butter, then fry the sage and the remaining garlic until foamy and fragrant. Toss in pumpkin seeds for a nutty crunch. Pour the soup into bowls, drizzle the sage butter and pumpkin seeds, pop on a crouton, pinch of thyme, a dollop of creme fraiche. All set. If you liked that one, hit share and subscribe for more quick kitchen wins.
Hello.